Welcome to the Grace Journaling Webcast, and today I will be showing you how to make a nice little embellishment using washi tape. I'm your host, Susan Lee Rose, and we all, for paper crafters, let's be honest, we all have washi tape. And we use it for a variety of different ways. Sometimes we may be using it for just to tape down a die cut, or a little bit of an embellishment here or there. I personally am kind of addicted to washi tape. My husband thinks I'm crazy, but that's okay. But I have a lot of washi tape. Some of it I've purchased myself, but I received a whole box of washi tape from a friend. I'm going to show you just my box because my others are organized. This was all given to me. So I have a lot of washi tape, and there's no way I'm going to be able to use all of it unless I start purposely planning on using it to make something. So I'm going to show y'all a technique for making some embellishments using washi tape. It's very, very easy. It's very, very simple. All you will need is a sheet of regular, plain copy paper. You don't want anything too thick because we're going to be running this through the Sizzix, and I didn't want it to be too thick, so I wanted to make sure that it cut correctly. If you don't have a Sizzix, you can use punches like this. Would be perfectly acceptable and fine. But you don't want your under paper to be too thick. So we're going to be doing two different styles of this. One of it we will be using this color scheme, and then one of them will be using this color scheme, which I don't know if you can really see the colors that well, but those are the ones that we're using. So I am going to pause this right here and get it set up where we can go in fast mode, because you don't want to be watching 30 minutes of me putting tape on paper. So I will pause this and then we will be right back. Alright, so you can see that was really easy to do. This one I just did across the diagonals. You could do it up and down, you could do all kinds of different ways, but I chose to do on the diagonals. And this one was a lot more random. I just put down the tapes in the coordinating colors that I want to use down. I like that the gold and the glitter, pink glitter, gives it a nice sheen. I think this is my favorite. We'll see how they look when we cut them out. Okay, so now we're going to cut them out. And for that, we are going to use the Big Shot. My Sizzix Big Shot. Sorry, I'm going to adjust that there. And we're going to be using the round layering circles. These are from Stampin' Up! We use with my Big Shot. So we're going to pull out the plates first. Pull them out this way. Feed them in there to keep them handy. All right, move that out of the way. We've got those down. So we're going to pull out the layering circles. And I'm just going to put the paper that I'm going to work on first, this one right here, down, and I'm going to put the circles on. I'm just going to use this whole little stack of circles. We're just going to put as many circles as we can on here and cut them out so that we get a number of circles. I'm going to get a bunch. So we're going to fill this whole thing up so you can use these. Now I know they're going to curl down because of that. We're going to get this layer on top, and then I'm going to adjust that one over. Those need, they're sticking. Okay, let's try this again. Actually, let's do this. Let's get smart about this. Let's put a little bit of washi tape down on the four corners to get this thing to lay down. So I am not fighting it. See, here's yet another use for washi tape. Alright, so we've got that laid down. So now we're going to lay the circles on, and they'll lay a lot flatter now. And I'm just going to get them on there, however many we can possibly fit, so we can use this whole sheet to cut. Better fit. Let's actually flip that around. Okay, so I have enough room that I'm going to put on a couple of these, at least one of these. Let's see how this looks with those. Put one of those on there. All right, we're gonna put the top on, and oops. We're going to feed this through. No, that's not. There we go. We're going to feed this through the Sizzix to create our circles. Alright, already one of them popped out for us. So there's how it'll look. You get these nice little circles cut out that can be used as embellishments on cards or on scrapbook pages, on pretty much whatever you want. So that's the way they look. That's the ones with the diagonal ones. So now let's do the same thing, and let's see how it looks with the one that's a little bit more random. Again, I'm going to tape the edges down because they are flying up. Going to tape down. And yes, I know I probably could have used some of the tape on the circles to keep them from falling down, but I did not. So we're going to just lay these out however we can get them to lay out. You want to use the most space that you can use. You cut as many out of it as you can. These make really great, you don't have to have a card in mind. You can cut a bunch of them out when you do this in your own time and see how they turn out. Okay, so let's get the Big Shot back up here. And we're going to carefully feed this through again. Sorry if the camera shakes a little bit while I'm doing this. All right, so let's see how these turned out. Ooh, I like those. I think are my favorite. I think I like those better than the ones that are on the diagonal. The ones on the diagonal are pretty. I like them. I think they like these a little bit more because they're so random. So there you have it. It's a short little video. It's easy to do these. It's easy to put these together. They will make some really cute embellishments for cards or scrapbook pages. Later on this week, I will be doing a video, a process video. I'll be making a card out of these, probably these, because I really like those. I may actually have to make 2 videos and do 2 different cards using these as well. So we know probably at least 1 more card tutorial this week and maybe 2. So anyway, I hope that you've enjoyed this video. I hope that you learned a new technique that you can use. If you like this technique, please like my page and share it. You can go down and leave a comment down below. And if you will subscribe to my YouTube channel, you will be getting more videos over time. I'm trying to do 1 tutorial a week. Sometimes it'll be more, sometimes it might be less, depending on what's going on. But there are your washi tape circle embellishments for you to do. I hope you enjoyed it. You have a good day. God bless you. Bye-bye.